Hi guys, bonjour mes amis, I'm Booger, welcome aboard. I'm gonna do some tater tots. Yeah, well you saw it in title. I've never made tater tots, I've never bought tater tots, but I have some red potatoes, so we're gonna make some tater tots. You guys ready? Let's go. Chin chin. Okay, so this is my little KitchenAid mini processor, and I've got about 6 red potatoes that I boiled up till fork tender. About 20 minutes or so, and they've been cooling, so I'm gonna put the potatoes in there and I'm gonna process all of these and put them in a different bowl, and then we'll go to the next step. We'll be back. So there that is. Now I let them sit at room temperature for like an hour, so they're not really wet per se. So if you're in a hurry to do it, I would squeeze the water out of there with a cheesecloth or something, but I don't have to do that. Alright, cornstarch. I'm going to add a good tablespoon of that in there. That'll help bind it up. A tablespoon and a half maybe. Okay. Went and got some jalapenos out of the garden. Why not? Make them a little spicy. You can omit that. I'm going to use a Midnight Espresso by Tango Spice Company. This is really good. So, you know, if you don't, you can use any seasoning you want. Salt and pepper is fine. I'm going to put some of this in there. I'd say probably a good tablespoon. Oh, it smells delicious, you guys. Alright, so I'm going to mix that up. I'm going to put this in the freezer for about 10 minutes so it firms up a little bit, because it's kind of a little warm still, okay? So, let me mix that up, freezer 10 minutes. So it's been chilling for about 5-10 minutes. And I've got one of these, I think it's a melon ball or something. Looks like a tablespoon size. Just to make them all the same size. I'm going to use that as a reference. I've got some canola oil brushed on the bottom of my pan. The paddle's out. So we're going to shape these as tater tots, right? That's what we're going to do. So just shape them like that. Just try to use the same spoonful so they're all going to cook evenly. Okay, so you get the gist of it, you guys. It's pretty sticky. It's going to hold pretty good. I was worried they're going to flatten out, but we'll see how she goes in there. Alright, so let me finish this. I'll show you what it looks like in the air fryer. So I've got probably, I don't know, 20 or so in there. I still got some filling left, as you can see. I might just freeze that as is, or shape them into these and then freeze them. But I'm going to spread some olive oil on there out of the Evo sprayer. I'm going to sprinkle some more of that Midnight Espresso on there. I'm going to put a link to that in the description where you can get that stuff. It's so awesome. Alright, so bottom on, top on at 4, and let's see how she goes. So 15 minutes on 4 and 5 minutes on 3. Perfect. The bottom was on the whole time. You want to see the bottom of it? Look how crispy it is. And they're soft. They're still hot, but I'm going to do this for you. You can have a little dipping sauce with this, but I want to try just the tater tot as is. Mmm. Wow. That's delicious. Ooh, that Midnight Espresso. That stuff is good, you guys. 2013 Golden Chili winner. So it's got a little bit of spice, not crazy, but it's very good. Well, I was gonna say, this is a success. Homemade tater tots in the air fryer. Winner, winner, tater tot dinner. Hope you give it a try. Thanks for shopping. Bye.